there's no special certification. And as I mentioned before too, the law doesn't require that a company have an HR director, or even if you are an HR director, that you have any specific training or anything like that. But it's a critical function in the company because, and it's more than just remembering these birthdays of employees or doing that new hire paperwork. It's communicating with the employees, documenting the performance, and if the person that's acting as the HR director or filling in as that role as the owner, and I've noticed this a lot, if the owner is there, has their finger on the pulse of the restaurant every day and can deal with complaints before they turn into something that goes outside of the restaurant, it's going to be a lot more efficient and a lot more economic for the company, and you'll just reduce the litigation by a lot. And that's not saying like anything bad is going on, but just being involved in communicating and working problems out before the employee feels like they have to go outside of the company to get a lawyer to get their problems resolved. If the owner is there or the manager is there and resolving these disputes on the spot, and the employees understand they're being listened to, it's going to go a far way in limiting any potential liability and litigation risks in the long run. So some questions I get a lot, how do I stay current with the law? And you just need to make it as part of your job to stay current. And some other issues that come up here, the question I get, what if the complaint's made against the owner or the CEO? Who should investigate? You need to think these through before an issue comes up. And that might mean getting an outside investigator involved or some impartial person in the company to do the investigation. But generally, in that case, I like to go outside of the company and get a third party to investigate. But start thinking these scenarios through and setting it up so that you're ready to go when the complaint comes up, if and when the complaint comes up.